I want you to try, listen to me. I want you to try to chase this little chicken.
Well, what do I gotta chase a chicken for? It's embarrassing, you know?
First, because I said so. And second, because chicken chasing is how we always used to train in the old days.
Yeah.
You catch this thing, you can catch grease lightning.
It's a waste of life.
First said I don't need no manager.
But you can't buy what I'm gonna give you. I mean, I've got pain and I've got experience.
Well, I got pain, I got experience too.
Listen, kid.
Hey, look, hey, Mick. I need your help about 10 years ago, right? 10 years ago. You never helped me. You didn't care.
Well, if you wanted help, I say, if you wanted help, why didn't you ask? Why didn't you just ask me, kid?
Look, I asked, but you never heard nothing.
Well, I'm 76 years old.
I ain't never had good footwork.
Never mind footwork. Now you're all balanced out, Marcian. Had the same problem. And this string cured it. Is the idea that if you can move and you can hit without breaking the string, you can balance, become a very dangerous person. You follow?
Okay.
We're looking good, Rock.
Thanks.
Let's go. That's it. That's it. Underneath.
Rock,
What?
how about you give us your other...
Get out of here! Don't you ever interrupt me while I'm conducting business. Move your little chicken ass. Listen, kid, you lay off that pet shop date. Women weaken legs.
Yeah, but I really like this girl, you know?
But let her train you!
Okay, no more fooling around. Women weaken legs, huh?
Slip the jab! That's right, that's it. Hey, I didn't hear no bell.
Okay.
All right, that's right. Slip the jab. That's it, mental right. See that bum in front of you. You see yourself doing right, and you do right. That's pretty, that's very pretty. Tight! Ah, come here, Rock. My God, you're ready, ain't you? That Apollo won't know what hit him. You're gonna roll over him like a bulldozer, an Italian bulldozer. You know, kid, I know how you feel about this fight that's coming up, because I was young once too. And I tell you something. Well, if he wasn't here, I probably wouldn't be alive today. The fact that you're here and doing as well as you're doing gives me, what do you call it, motivation, huh? To stay alive. Because I think that people die sometimes when they don't want to live no more.
Nature's smarter than people think.
And nature is smarter than people think. Little by little, we lose our friends, we lose everything. We keep losing and losing till we say, you know, oh, what the hell am I living around here for? I got no reason to go on. But with you, kid, boy, I got a reason to go on. And I'm going to stay alive. And I will watch you make good.
And I'll never leave you.
And I'll never leave you until that happens. Because when I leave you, you'll not only know how to fight, you'll be able to take care of yourself outside the ring too. Is that okay?
It's okay.
Okay. Now I got a little gift for you.
Oh, Mickey.
Now wait a minute now. Wait a minute.
Really, I mean, that's
Look at this. See that? This is the favorite thing that I have on this earth. And Rocky Marciano give me that. You know what it was? His cufflink. Huh? And now I'm giving it to you. And it's got to be like an angel on your shoulder. And if you ever get hurt and you feel that you're going down, this little angel is going to whisper in your ear. He's going to say, "Get up, you son of a bitch! Because Mickey loves you." Okay?
Thanks, Mick.
All right.
I love you too.
Go after him, kid. Go after him.
You was huge.
There it is.
What happened to his other cufflink?
I don't know. He only gave me one. He gave it to some bum.
just what it is. It's plain old butchery.
Why did the switching bother you? Why, but then you should have had him.
You can't be hurt. You fella, you can't be hurt because you are too tough.
Now don't let up on this man. This man is dangerous. This man is dangerous.
That guy's great.
Not all, listen, he's only a man. You can beat him because you're a tank, kid. You're a greasy, fast, 200-pound Italian tank. Go through him. Run over him. Get out of here.
Get him.
This is it, man. Best of all time. Going round two. Round two, the champion comes back out. He's leading across again, starting with the left and left and left. Left to the chin, left to the head, left to the chin, left to the head, coming around now. Just holding that right hand. He's got it cocked. He's just waiting for that precise moment that he wants to. There it is. He unloaded that, but here comes Balboa.
You can't hurt me. He can't hurt me, no way.
Break it up, break it up. Break it up, break clean. Now the champion goes through for Balboa to come to his
Slow. Man, you too slow. Get your cameras ready. Watch this now, watch this. He's going down. Here it comes. Get him. Just stay down there. Just stay down there, chump. I told you.
Check that eye, kid. Get it. The body. You're a tank, kid.
Told you. I told you.
And here comes the champion into the sun.
Watch you now. Watch you.
He's down, but here it is. The left to the right. He's got him back in the corner. Balboa's back in the corner. But here comes Balboa again. Where does he get that stamina? He's got the champion trapped over in one corner. And he's trading left and right, left.
Keep it up.
I'm standing there.
Watch the late second round. And they're taunting each other. The round is over. But they're taunting each other. Everybody in the audience better get ready for...
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
I want you to try, listen to me. I want you to try to chase this little chicken.
What do I gotta chase a chicken for? It's embarrassing, you know?
First, because I said so. And second, because chicken chasing is how we always used to train in the old days.
Yeah.
You catch this thing, you can catch grease lightning. Ready?
Yeah, well, I'd rather eat it than chase it. Ain't very mature,
Listen.
but if you say
Well,
so.
neither are you very mature. Now listen, get this thing.
A fighter ain't a farmer.
Come on, go on and get him. Get him. Come on, what's the matter with you? Get him. Pick him up! Put him down! Pick him up! Put him down! What's the matter? You're so fast. What are you standing still or something? Speed! Can't you catch your little chicken? Huh? Come on! Move your tail! Move your tail! You look like a girl out there. What's the matter with you?
I feel like a Kentucky Fried Idiot.